Revolutionary skincare from the skincare experts. Our one and only this day only special during our first ever 2-hour skincare expert show is from Dr. Paul Nassif. Now you may know him from Botch, but this man is a world-renowned plastic surgeon who's been published in medical journals, who has decades of experience, and his skincare regimen is absolutely extraordinary, has breakthrough ingredients you've never seen before, and gives you real deal anti-aging best ever results to keep you away from the scalpel, out of his office, and shopping only here at HSN. Today, and for this hour only, for only 1,500 shoppers, as a this day only blowout, as a celebration of the premiere of the skincare experts, Dr. Nassif is giving you an opportunity to get his $65 full-size day therapy and his $75 full-size night therapy serum, both full-size products, $140 worth for under $60 as a this hour only special offer with only 1,500 to go around. It's on Flex, it's with free shipping. This is what Skincare Expert is all about here at HSN. And Dr. Nassif is standing by. He's gonna talk to you about the science. He's gonna show you some incredible before and afters. And TV show or not, this man knows what he's talking about when it comes to skincare. Dr. Nassif, thank you for being a part of this incredible new show.
Brad, it was, first of all, thanks for having me. And I gotta tell you something, is that when I talk about these products, these are products that I made, spent years in the lab, because my hands can't do these things. I can't really fix your skin. I can lift up skin, but I can't. And I'm gonna talk to you about the PM serum. And what's great about this is an age-defying formulation that has, first of all, we all know what retinol is. Retinol is a natural form of vitamin D, which helps reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. And the other key ingredient to this, which I love, is something called ethyl absorbic acid. Yes, that's a mouthful, but that's a stable form of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. When we hear about it goes against the free radical aggressors that hurt your skin, that's what it does. So we get a few things with this. We actually help the appearance of skin firmness. We help even out the skin tone. We help reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, and that's what I want to do for you. And it helps with luminosity, which is a glow. And this is something that, you know, we've been working on, and I'll tell you, I love this product.
And today, it's a bigger, better offer than it's ever been before. Dr. Nassif wanted to be a part of the Skincare Expert Show. We had a special opportunity to do a this day only deal. So it is your customer pick on its own, $65 day therapy cream, full size. You get $5 off, and only for this hour, for now the next 1,400 customers, you get the full-size PM Night Serum, a power-packed overnight serum thrown in. Dr. Nassif's gonna show you incredible before and afters. He understands the skin from the inside out, and he's put his Beverly Hills practice on the line, his reputation as now a television star on the line, and putting his name on his product. So you know he takes the results very seriously, and he's gonna show you what's possible.
Okay, now, you know, the real way to show these things is before and afters, because that's what we work on as scientists and doctors. We look at clinical studies, and before and afters, you know, just like I'm showing something on my website, here it is in real life. So this is a 6-week, take a look at the lines on the side of the mouth. And this is a lady who's in her 60s. These have developed over many, many years, and after only 6 weeks, use once a day. Take a look at that. That is a remarkable difference. Can we have the next one? Okay, now look at this one. Take a look at this. This is now 8 weeks, 2 times a day. If we look at the smile lines, we look at the marionette lines, we look at these small wrinkles, we look at the appearance of the skin. And just think if you're now, I mean, this is actually after 8 weeks. Picture what happens in the next few months. Take a look at this. Look at Mary here. She's actually, again, showing this. Look at the appearance of the pores have been diminished. The glow of the skin, the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles have been reduced. That's why I love this product, only 8 weeks. Just think about 4 months. Can we go ahead and we have Carol next. If we take a look again now, especially her upper lip, and this is again.
Okay, wait, hold on. I gotta stop you there, because that upper lip, I mean, you must have women in Beverly Hills who come in and talk about how can you change it, how can you fix it, how can you plump it, reshape it, reform it. Just by using a day cream and a night serum, look at the smoothening, the revitalizing, the turning back of the clock that Dr. Nassif has done. And today, it's better than a BOGO special. The day cream is $65. You get it for $60, and you get the full-size night therapy serum thrown in only for those of you who are shopping during this hour, available on Flex for only $15 on your credit card. I just have to make sure everybody understands. This is a one and only smash and grab deal. You are getting a full over 90-day supply in your purchase today. Think about a second, think about a third, because that price may never be repeated again. Now, we're gonna work with Dr. Nassif on getting a today's special out of him, but there's only 1,500 of these to go around. There's not enough to ever do a today's special. This is a this hour only, this day only, one of a kind opportunity to get $140 worth of prestige Beverly Hills plastic surgery skincare, all for only $15 on your credit card.
You know, you mentioned the big thing. Okay, so all of you are watching when we talk about wrinkles in the upper lip. Whether you're a smoker, and that's what we call smoker lines, but I have to tell you, for some reason, you start getting these in your late 40s, and they are the hardest things to get rid of. So now we take a look again. This is 4 weeks. Take a look, especially, look at the difference in here in this. Now, if you take a peek, this patient here, especially in the lower under eye area, we can see a complete incredible difference, and that's what helps glow. Okay, so now, this again, this is around the periorbital area. Take a look at before and afters. 4 weeks, 2 times a day. So this works all over your entire face. And we have more of these. Okay, now, actually, we have a special one on this. So take a look at Cynthia. I'm gonna tell you why, because guess what? Cynthia's here with us. And so Cynthia, she's right over there. I'm gonna have her just tell her what she thinks, but take a look at the luminosity. Take a look at her cheek area. Cynthia, you over there?
Yeah, I'm over here.
So tell us, Cynthia, tell us about what you're using here.
This is the PM, and I find that what it did, it made my skin look more youthful and more glowing, and I continue to use it. And I want to thank you for such an awesome, awesome product.
Well, thank you very much, and I want you to make sure you keep using that. Do we actually have Sue's up here next?
Yeah.
Let's see if we have Sue's photos, which is the next slide.
All right, now, you've got to see this, because when I saw Sue's, this is absolutely extraordinary. I mean, what a game-changing difference after only 6 weeks.
I mean, take a look at the wrinkles. Take a look at the skin tone. Take a look at the spots. I mean, so, and actually, we're lucky because we also have Sue here.
Yeah. Now, Sue, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, my discoloration, my wrinkles, they have all gone. And thank you, Dr. Nassif, for creating a product that works.
And these before and afters that you're showing us, Dr. Nassif, this is just the PM serum, right? This is before you add in the day cream.
This is just the PM. It's not the AM at all. Only PM.
Okay.
That's it.
So that's just the night regimen that you're seeing that game-changing difference in the appearance of the skin. And today, the PM, you're not paying for it. It's a $75 value that is included as a this day only special. Now, here's what's happening right now. This will not be repeated again. This will not be featured on any of the Skincare Experts show that are going on tomorrow. This is not just a this day only, this is a this hour only special. It's $140 worth of Beverly Hills plastic surgery. You know, you may know him from Botched, but the man has a several decades long career before he decided to be a TV star. He's been published in medical journals. He's got several degrees. He's spoken on several boards. This is real deal, power-packed anti-aging skincare that he recommends to his own patients in Beverly Hills. Today, it's a $140 value for $15 on your credit card, shipping to your door free of charge. A skincare expert, a board-certified plastic surgeon saying, I am giving you a 24-hour regimen. I am taking out all of the guesswork. I am giving you a full-size day cream, over a 90-day supply, and a full-size night therapy serum over a 90-day supply, all today for $15 on your credit card, all for the limited supplies that we've got. With the calls coming in right now, there's less than 1,000 left to go around. Now, the day therapy, the day cream, customer pick on its own. By itself, day in and day out, no pun intended, and it's $65. Today, $5 less, and the power-packed PM serum, the results you've been seeing on your screen, that's what you're getting, and you're not even paying for it. I mean, this is your first foray into a little mini Today's Special with us, Dr. Nassif, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I gotta tell you, this is the first time I've done this.
It's pretty good to shop around here, isn't it?
And especially it's great because the AM, you know, that's just the PM.
Right.
And remember, the AM, by the way, has vitamin C. Remember, the same thing in the PM, ethyl absorbic acid, which is an incredible antioxidant, but also it has, for hydration, hyaluronic acid, and they're not all made the same. Now, hyaluronic acid is a natural occurring substance. It holds its weight 1,000 times more than water. So it loves water, so it's almost basically what it does. It goes in and it pulls moisture and hydrates your skin. And it also has something called Vin Uplift. Vin Uplift, this is from Swiss ice wine. Now, these grapes are left freezing on these Swiss, and these are only harvested a few times a decade. And in a pilot study, they showed to increase hydration and also help reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. That's what the AM serum has, which is, again, something phenomenal.
Okay, so this is your only chance to do it. This is a limited supply offer that we have for you. You pay a discounted price on your day cream. You get your night therapy serum included with your purchase today. It is better than a BOGO for the first ever This Day Only with Dr. Paul Nassif. You know, this show really is steeped in going to the finest experts in the industry, those that are known and those that are unknown, those who are steeped in research and science and put their own medical practices on the line to bring the best formulations and ingredients. You know, he talks about that Swiss ice wine like, oh, it's just some so ho-hum ingredient. You're like one of the only brands that has it. It's super rare and hard to find, and it has real deal benefits and results in anti-aging.
Yeah, I mean, remember, this is something, remember, when they talk about a pilot study for all of us that are listening to me out there, you know, what is that? That actually is when you take patients and you actually test and see what does it do to you. And when we talk about hydration, remember, the biggest things that we talk about in my entire skincare line is hydration, which we all need to do, and actually anything that helps reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. And that's why when I look at all these before and afters, if you take a peek, these are results. They don't lie. I mean, these are results that show, if we take a look, we glance through them, and this is only 6 weeks. Just think if you're using this product every day.
That's some serious tightening. I mean, your hands, your scalpels, you can't do that, can you?
I can't do that. I don't, remember, if I'm lifting someone, I'm actually lifting up some loose skin, but that's all I'm doing. I'm not helping with these wrinkles. And that's why you need an incredible, dynamic skincare.
Okay, so just to give everybody a little heads up, FYI here, I know our clock went down about a moment ago. We've been asked to stay here because we are now officially in final quantities. With the calls coming in, there's maybe 400 or 500 of these left to go around. If you're interested and you're excited, may I please recommend pick up 2. They do have a full year shelf life on them, and you will never see a price like this again. It's over a 90-day supply, but when you come back in 100 days, it will not be $60. So if you're excited about this regimen, if you're excited to know that your 24 hours of anti-aging skincare can be delivered to you by Dr. Paul Nassif, stock up while they are available for you, because this is one you're gonna run out of and you're gonna run back to us to get more. It's totally exclusive to us here at HSN. You certainly cannot get these prices in Dr. Nassif's Beverly Hills office or anywhere else in the country for that matter. So we are staying here for one last moment to give you one last opportunity to shop for it. It's only $15 on a credit card, and the $65 day cream on its own is a customer pick. And today, you get $5 off the day cream, and you get the night therapy thrown in. It's better than a BOGO special. It's the first ever This Day Only, because our today's special is gone and spoken for the day. We are doing our biggest and best offers, and Dr. Nassif said, I want to do this for the first time ever, and he's doing the best offer he's ever done, the best price he ever will be able to do, and your opportunity to really try rare formulations, power-packed, as Dr. Nassif himself says, results, results, results skincare, all today in a true 24-hour regimen. I mean, thank you for doing this for us. I think it takes the guesswork out. It's like you've delivered the consultation to our homes.
You know, I'll tell you, it's one thing, especially when I knew I was working with you, because when we talk about these patients and stuff, we want to make sure that everyone, so when you're out there, listen, I know you have all kinds of skincare, whether they're samples or bottles in your bathroom, but I want to try to put something together for you. I use myself, all my relatives, everyone uses it, every one of my patients. Ready before surgery.
Okay, so half gone, processing the orders as quickly as we can. We're gonna show you some last few before and afters. I'd love for you to see Carolyn, because I truly believe her lip area is really gonna show you what's possible in true anti-aging, smoothing, fighting the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You're seeing it on your screen right now, and it's not just her lip area. Look at her nasal labial folds. They've been smoothed. Her skin looks radiant. It looks smoother. It looks younger. And today, it's all available for you. $15 on your credit card. Last call, last chance. We are going to move on, but we will let you know when it is gone. Continue to order it. It is our